How to fix DeepSeek AI app not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check the server status of DeepSeek. For that, launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website status.deepseek.com. Now, here you have to check whether all the systems are operational or not. If there are any outages, you have to wait until the problem will be resolved. Next up, what you want to do is check your internet connection. Launch your settings, enable for the option of airplane mode, wait for a few minutes and then disable it. Likewise, click on the option Wi-Fi, click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forgot this network, give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Also, you can switch between networks, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Likewise, update your DeepSeek app. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store, then search for the app DeepSeek. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. With this solution, your app should work. If still you are having the issue, what you have to do is completely delete the app. For that, press and hold on it. Click on Remove App, click on Delete App. Then launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app DeepSeek and then install it. With this solution, your problem will be fixed. So that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily fix DeepSeek AI app not working. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.